Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Medical Professional Legal Consultant Training Course informational video from the Center for Legal Studies. If you're a physician assistant, pharmacist, optometrist, dentist, chiropractor, or other medical professional looking to earn additional credentials, build on your experience in the medical field, and expand your professional role within the legal system, this video is for you. With that, I'm going to introduce our Business Development Director at the Center for Legal Studies, Stephanie Elio, who will get our presentation started today. Take it away, Stephanie.
Thanks, Emily. Thank you for joining us today to learn about this course. We appreciate your time. The video is not long, but we're going to go over some important things and hopefully it'll answer questions about exactly who the Center for Legal Studies is, how our online courses work, the actual program, Medical Professional Legal Consultant, what that career outlook looks like, what the course will teach you, how we work with our college and university partners, and then how to enroll. So a lot of questions will be answered in this program. Keep in mind, as you watch through, if we miss something, we do have enrollment counselors always available at CLS. They're easy to reach by phone, and you can do that. We'll have the contact information at the end of the presentation. So the Center for Legal Studies was actually founded in 1980. We're in our 40th year, and we specialize in training legal support staff personnel. One of our most popular courses is paralegal. Second in line is actually legal nurse consultant. That course has become so popular over the last several years that we felt we were really leaving a lot of medical professionals out of the loop. They want the legal knowledge, they want to be able to act as expert witnesses, protect themselves against malpractice suits, so many other things. And we'll talk about some in this presentation. But if you are interested in bridging your medical experience and education over into some kind of legal capacity, this course is specifically designed for you. The courses that we offer are very specifically designed to be affordable and flexible. This particular course is online. We know that our medical professionals all have very busy, hectic schedules. So one of the really beautiful things is you are not required to be online at any particular time of day. Our courses are instructor-led and you have classmates, so there's connectivity. But at the same time, like I mentioned, you do not have to be logged in at any particular time of day. The instructor would post what your written and reading assignments are on Monday. Deadlines are typically on Sunday. All students get 24/7 access to our system that's held on our servers. So you don't need any special software. Internet access will suffice. I mentioned a moment ago that we do offer other courses. If you're interested in things like victim advocacy, alternative dispute resolution, paralegal training, any of those other things, you can certainly find them on our website. All the curriculum for any course that we offer is continuously updated to remain on pace and current with your industry. 100% online learning. This course is delivered in the Center for Legal Studies asynchronous virtual classroom. You've got classmates, you've got an instructor, you have connectivity, but you're never required to be logged in at any particular time of day. The username and password you're issued as a registered student at the beginning of the course will give you that 24/7 access. Your instructor is going to let you know by a post what to read and what your written assignments are on Monday. Deadlines are typically Sunday. So it doesn't really matter. You can log on at 5 a.m., 2 in the afternoon, midnight, do it on the weekends, do it 1 or 2 days a week. It's up to you to create your own schedule. There are throughout our program video and printed tutorials that really make getting through this easy. It's a pretty simple platform to use, very user-friendly, and we do have administrative and technical support at the Center for Legal Studies for all students. As far as interaction with your teacher, with your classmates goes, Throughout the program, the instructor is available, but they are also working professionals. So you need to keep in mind that the email tools are there. You can message your instructor. They will get back to you. It's not going to be a real-time thing. Typical response will arrive in 1 to 2 days. Most of our instructors check their emails on a daily basis. They are busy professionals just like you. And this course is very specifically designed for busy adult learners. So that interaction kind of goes both ways. They give you a wide breadth for when things are due, and your communication to them, the expectation is that they'll get back to you within 1 or 2 days. Interaction with classmates. All students are required to participate in weekly bulletin board assignments. That is a portion of your grade where the instructor will post a topic for discussion. Everyone is required to participate, and once you post your answers, you're able to read your classmates' responses. Those weekly deadlines are really designed to keep you on track. What exactly is a medical professional legal consultant? They're people that already work in the medical industry. They can be physician assistants, dentists, optometrists, paramedics, chiropractors, optometrists. The list goes on and on and on. If you're an RN, if you're a nurse, you probably are going to be a better fit to our legal nurse consultant course. If you are any one of those other medical professionals that has an interest in learning product liability, to be an expert witness for a trial or some type of legal case, personal injury, risk management, etc., this course is for you. In order to determine whether or not this is a fit for what you want to learn, we provide the syllabus up front on our website. It's really easy to navigate just under the About CLS tab. It's going to go over all the learning objectives in great detail, the expectations of the course, grading policies, withdrawal, etc. All there for you to view before you register. This is an accelerated course. Your average expectation for time invested to complete the coursework should be about 12 hours per week. We do not typically grant extensions for any of our online courses. You should expect to start at a certain date and end 7 weeks later. We do have 6 opportunities to take this course per year. In the event of an extreme situation, you would be able to communicate with the program manager and retake in a next session or potentially get an extension. But you should enter into this with the expectation that you will be taking this class for 7 weeks with the dates as scheduled. We do have 70% or better required minimum passing score. There is no cumulative grading in our programs. The reason for that is the Center for Legal Studies very strongly believes that when we send people out in the world who have earned our certificates, you need to be good at all the skills, not really good at some and stink at others. So again, no cumulative grading, 70% or better on every assignment. So next question naturally is, what happens if I bomb a test? What happens if I fail a quiz? In the event that that may occur, you'll be afforded the opportunity to redo that assignment to achieve a passing grade. We want you to be successful. We want you to gain the knowledge that you came here to get. This course is the equivalent of 45 clock hours of study. So our course overview. We already discussed that you will have accessibility into instructor direction, instruction, the content, the lessons throughout your 7-week online program. It's really a very easy to use platform, very user-friendly. You can see on the left, on the graphic on the screen now, that it touches on a little bit of the learning objectives that are included in this course in regards to the ethics, medical malpractice, informed consent, practice areas, the litigation process itself. But to really get an in-depth overview before you register, to determine if this is the right fit for you, I encourage you to go directly to our website, legalstudies.com. Under the About CLS tab, if you hover over that, you're going to get a drop-down menu. You'll see the word Syllabus about halfway down the list. Give it a click. Scroll down till you get to the Medical Professional Legal Consultant course. Click on the box. Voila, there is your syllabus. It is extraordinarily comprehensive. Not only will it give you a summary of the content of the course, it will individually list out all of the learning objectives. Goes over the testing grading policies, talks about the bulletin board assignments. The minimum grading expectations I mentioned a few moments ago are again listed in that syllabus. That's going to be your best determination because you know what you already know. We don't. You know what you want to learn. We don't know that. This is your opportunity to determine if this course is the right fit for you. Those grade metrics for the course will be based on weekly test, your participation in the bulletin boards, and your quizzes. Successful graduates of our 7-week program will receive 2 documents. One, a certificate of completion from whichever one of our college or university partners you select when you register. We'll talk about that a little more in a moment. You'll receive a second document awarding you CMEs, continuing medical education hours. This course, as I mentioned a moment ago, is equivalent to 45 clock hours of continuing education. So you will get 45 units, Category 1 CME. That will come from the Center for Legal Studies, as we are the ones that hold the approval and endorsement through the AAPA. The purpose of this program, we talked about grading, we talked about some of the content. This course, nor any course that we offer, is designed for you to just memorize a bunch of stuff to pass a test. That is not why we are here. Our courses are designed for students to learn concepts, understand them, be able to put them back out in their own words, and know how to apply them in a real-world setting. The Center for Legal Studies specializes in training legal support staff, but we train those legal support professionals to work in the real world. So when you leave here, you've got a new skill that you can immediately implement into your career. You will be able to demonstrate professional new skills. You will leave with a certificate that not only illustrates you've completed the course, but can show others that you are prepared and ready to go to work as a medical professional legal consultant. Where can you take the certificate? Who's going to look at it and what can you do with it? Law firms, they need experts to help them. Law firms are filled with lawyers. They are experts on the law. There are so many medical issues that come with a variety of different cases. They need people like you to help with the medical side. The purpose of this course is to learn how to cross that bridge with all of your medical expertise and their legal expertise. Healthcare industry, not only for acting as an expert witness, but for charting, also working in administration. If you're going to move up into administration, it is critical that you've got some background in legal as well, not only to protect yourself, but the organization that you're working for. Insurance companies need medical professionals to help them with insurance claims. State and government agencies and forensic testimony, all are available pathways for you to apply this new skill set. There are people that use this on a part-time basis, contract jobs, extra things, just adding it to their resume to increase their value where they already are. There are other medical professionals that are doing it on a full-time basis. And according to payscale.com, this is a high 70s, low 80 range for an annual income. The Center for Legal Studies and college and universities. We are partners with almost 200 college and universities nationwide. I mentioned at the beginning of this video that the Center for Legal Studies started in 1980. Since that time, we have been an educational partner with a variety of college and universities throughout the country. We work with the Continuing Education and Professional Studies Department, not on the for-credit degree-seeking side of the house, on the non-credit job skills training, continuing education side. So these courses are open enrollment. You don't need to apply. You don't need to wait to be accepted. They are open enrollment. You can simply pay the tuition and take the program. On the screen now, you currently see a variety of schools throughout the country we work with. But again, our current portfolio includes almost 200 schools. We encourage you to go directly to our website at legalstudies.com to find the partner school closest to you. That will always be our recommendation because that's who's going to issue your certificate. So if you intend to continue living where you are, you're going to continue working where you are, it makes sense to have your certificate issued by the school in your local geographic area. Everything that you need to do, research this course, pay for the course, take the course, can all be done on our websites. Tuition for this program is $1,295. There is a textbook required in addition. I believe the current rate on that is somewhere in the neighborhood of $180, $189. It's listed on our website, so when you find the course, you can also put the textbook in your cart. There is an optional Westlaw access allowed for all students. That is access into the online law library system. It's not a required tool for this program, but as a registered student at the Center for Legal Studies, you do have the ability to purchase that as an option. We also have payment plans for this and many of our other courses. We work with a third-party financing company called Affirm. It is a credit-based program, but they do accept a very wide range of credit, so I do encourage you to apply. If that is your choice versus pay in full with the credit card when checking out, you would simply select the Affirm option at the checkout screen. It's really easy to do. Just fill out like a 1-2 minute application. They will review that. It's only a soft hit, so not a hard hit on your credit. They'll come back to you and render a decision within less than 5 minutes. If you are approved, they will take whatever was in your shopping cart, that is tuition, books, Westlaw, one lump sum, break it down into 3, 6, 9, 12, up to 18-month payment plans. You'll be shown exactly how much those payments are per month, and at that point in time, you can determine what is the best fit for you, whether you want to accept one of those payment plans or just proceed with your credit card through registration. To enroll, you would go directly to our website at legalstudies.com. There's a really easy to navigate find a course button box right in the top right-hand corner. Go ahead and fill out the fields, medical professional legal consultant course, enter your state, put in online, click search. It will populate a list of all of the schools in your area that offer this particular program. When you click on that link, it'll take you to the course page. You'll see a beautiful overview of the course, very detailed information. It will talk about the CMEs that I discussed earlier. When you get down the page to the course schedule section, you'll see a little green box that says online. Give it a click. You will see 6 session dates. Our calendar is continuously rolling, so whatever the next opportunity may be will be at the top of the list, and then there is a new session offered every 8 weeks. Click on the session that you want to take, simply add it to your cart. Beneath that would be the books. Go to the shopping cart and check out. It is that easy. If you have any questions, we do have enrollment counselors available for all of our students prior to registration, and they can be reached at 1-800-522-7737. That number is on your screen now. Again, 1-800-522-7737. They are available to speak with students Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Central Standard Time.
Thank you, Stephanie, and thank you for taking the time to view our presentation today. If you have any further questions we did not get to during this video, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. Again, as Stephanie said, our enrollment counselors are available and ready to help you. And also, as mentioned, our courses are open enrollment and start every 8 weeks, so you can visit legalstudies.com and enroll today. Have a great day, and we hope to hear from you soon.